Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel Explore Edu to Teach.
The next topic that we'll be taking in digital electronics is demultiplexer. So a video is already uploaded on multiplexer. It is present in the digital electronics playlist of my YouTube channel. Please go and watch it out. So similar to multiplexer, we have something called as demultiplexer as well. It's a very important combinational circuit and it works completely opposite to that of your multiplexer. So in this topic we'll be talking about demultiplexer. If you like this particular video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also on my Instagram page, summary, formula sheets and so many other things are regularly updated on my Instagram page also related to all the topics that I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. So if you're on Instagram, please check the links which are given down in the description box also. Please follow me over there because those particular pages and the tricks which are uploaded on my Instagram page is going to be definitely very helpful for you. So please do check that out also and share it to as many people as you can. So beginning with the topic demultiplexer. So what is a demultiplexer? As I told you, a demultiplexer is nothing else than opposite to that of your multiplexer. So as you have multiplexer or mux, we have demultiplexer or demux, which is a one-to-many circuit. In case of my multiplexer, there were many inputs and there was a single output. But in case of my demultiplexer, there is a single input and there are many outputs. So basically, how is this single input connected to a particular output? That is based on the select lines. So it has select lines that selects which output terminal will be connected to the input terminal. That is very important. So what I told you is that a demux or demultiplexer is one-to-many circuit in which we have one input and many outputs, and there are select lines. I repeat myself, and there are select lines which are basically going to connect the input which is there to a specific output that depends on my select lines. So a demux has a special input called as strobe or En bar. So if my En bar is equal to 0, as you can see it's a active low kind of strobe, so then my demux is activated. If my En bar is equal to 1, my demux is deactivated. I hope I'm very clear with this. So we have a 1:4 demultiplexer. So as I told you, a demultiplexer is nothing else than many to one circuit in which you have one input. Since it is 1:4, there are 4 outputs and 2 select lines. How is that 2 decided? Basically 4 is equal to 2 raised to n. Therefore my n becomes equal to 2. So if I draw the block diagram of it, it will have a single input. It will have 4 outputs starting from y0 to y3. y0 is my LSB, y3 is my MSB, and we have 2 select lines. And as I had mentioned earlier, based on the select lines values, my input will be connected to a particular output terminal. So if you see over here, we have, if my S1, S0 is 0, 0, my input will be connected to Y0, hence my Y0 is 1. If my S1, S0 is 0 and 1, my input will be connected to Y1. Similarly, if it's 1 and 0, my input will be connected to Y2. And if it's 1 and 1, my input will be connected to Y3. I hope I'm very clear to you. So we have such kind of equation, that is y3 is equal to s1 s0 I, y2 is equal to s1 s0 bar. How do you write this equation? Basically, if you see over here, a 0 is represented by bar and a 1 is represented by no bar. So if I talk about y3, it is s1 s0 I or y3, when y3 is 1, my s1 s0 is 1 and 1. Hence I have y3 is equal to s1 s0 I. When I talk about y2, it is s1 s0 bar. Why so? My y2 becomes s1 and s0 bar. So I hope I'm very clear with this. Similarly, my y1 is given as s1 bar s0 I, and your y0 is given as S1 bar and S0 bar Y I. I hope I'm very clear to you. So this is just a very small video on demultiplexer, wherein you just have understanding that a demultiplexer is nothing else than opposite to that of your multiplexer, which has a single input and many output. Depending upon the select lines, my input will be connected to output. The en bar should always be equal to 0. Then you have this diagram, and depending upon select lines, the output terminal is selected, so on and so forth. So I hope I'm very clear to you. If you like this particular video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram for all the updates, short videos, formula tricks, which are regularly updated over there. You can check the link in the description box. And also share it to as many people as you can, because this is one of the most basic concepts which will be useful for you, not only in digital electronics but also in many other subjects. So thank you so much guys. God bless you.